Yes, Lakshmi.
So my story
Yes.
begins with my crafts. I have been a handicraftist from my childhood. What all I do, I
Mhm.
use it for gifting. So moreover, selling them, I used to gift the things to other people. So all the way I have been waiting. Oh, why don't I earn? Why don't I earn? Was only the word I think so.
Mhm.
But I could. I never. All in my area, we have conducted pre-exhibitions also of my crafts, but there was no progress and no much going. So okay, then what I thought is, why not I make a TV shows in my local area? वो सोच के मैंने टीवी वालों से अप्रोच किया तो they gave me opportunity, but they did not pay me. So I have collected those videos of my crafts and then posted in my YouTube long back. So that also over. Then I have worked with one social service organization. There I have taught all my crafts to the people, handicraft people. I have taught many of them, so they are ready now. But I have to employ them means, that is, I have to show them work means I have to get some work from any source. That I tried a lot. That also couldn't happen. So वो भी हो गया. इसके बाद 3 years back I got a fracture in my right hand. Then onwards I kept home. So and then when when it's okay, then 2 years back I started with the spirituality courses. Now I'm at the peak of that. Now I'm learning all the things which are coming onto me. And now Facebook, I entered the Facebook in 2010 itself. But I nowadays, since 10 years, I don't touch it even. By fluke or by luck, I don't know. I was just going through and I saw your picture there. I couldn't even notice what you're presenting, what you're doing, and anything. Since this is last call, I'm just talking all openly, right? Because that may not be interesting many people.
Yes.
So I thought of something. I want to do some online business. This is only point I have in my mind. I don't usually go to Facebook. I was very bad since till 2010. I was attached with YouTube, Facebook. But after that, when the WhatsApp has come into existence, I just left Facebook and I was with WhatsApp. But by luck or fluke or whatever it is, that is the we have a time to link up. ऐसे मैंने अचानक तुमको देखा था.
Okay.
पकड़ लिया. And
Okay.
that also I don't even remember anything. I don't even know the name and don't know what you're doing also, what you're giving also. ऑनलाइन बिजनेस का थोड़ा मुझे जानकारी होगी ये सोच के मैंने first day I lost
Join.
everything. Only Vandana was in my mind. So the next day I came up, I searched everything and got it Vandana Malhotra. And then पकड़ के मैंने course join किया है. Really, I'd say it is lucky
Okay.
that I came to you. So because one of
Thank you
my
so much.
passion is that I have to do something in online. So I started with my crystals and all. I have started my Facebook page and then I was doing that. But
Okay.
on back of my passions, until the class was confirmed today, I didn't do my homework because there are many things in my mind and which is my sole passion, I couldn't get it. So from my whenever anybody asks me, I just emerge out that I have to help the Viklang means handicapped people. So
Mm.
why if I want to help them, I must be in a position. So
Right.
my children, they are also employees. My children. So what they
Right.
say is first you stand, then you can make them stand and you can give them employment, something like that. So why don't you think about you? Why are you always going to talk about them? As they will be saying. So when you have been telling the lesson, today's lesson, then the picture is coming to me. Oh, I had a plan once that I have to give super brain yoga treatment that for children. These are the emerging people. We are brought up in the schools, and the school education is just making us to learn the language and to get the degrees. But the
Right.
spirituality, which they are lacking, which is not in these children, these are making people very vigorous children and all. So if I get that permission, then anybody at school we can get it. So I want to teach the methodology to make a right human being. That is what I got into mind recently. Means although last 2 years back only I thought of only yoga. Then it was only yoga, but now the spirituality means that is what they have to. What are the right things to be done at this age, because this is the foundation age for them. So we put the right seeds, they will grow into right plants. ऐसा सोच के मैंने
Very
what
good.
all I have written in that, these are the things I have came up now as at present. So when you educate me and when you nurture me, maybe I will become
Yeah.
a
So
good
basically,
plant.
I think you're thinking in the right direction, and your target audience is children, because ये school
Yeah.
में भी नहीं सिखाते, as you're saying, these are the basics of life. जैसे
Yeah,
पूरा
these people running after the school education and graduation, that is nowhere useful for people. Yeah.
Correct. So I think you have some good, if you really have valuable knowledge and you can, if you've transformed already, right? मतलब आप देख रहे हैं कि हमने ये किया है, तो बिकॉज अगर आप स्क्रैच से चालू करोगे तो थोड़ा दिक्कत होगा, बिकॉज उस पर क्रेडिबिलिटी बिल्ड करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा ना. So that is the reason where you have a credible past, and if that can be converted into an online course, because you have to open the doors first.
Yeah.
So you're opening the doors with your credibility in the past, and then whatever is that offering, you can begin with your, because I am not sure if you have any success story with the children that you're suggesting
Yeah,
right now.
as a craft teacher, I have entered into the schools. As an abacus teacher, I have entered the schools, and I get very good, I have very good knowledge about teaching. I can say I can go excellent with teaching. Whatever.
So the courses, that the business model that we are talking is more than knowledge. It is the experience you give people.
Yeah.
Knowledge is very important, but what people look for is experience. So there is a lot more things to be done here. Only what I am saying is that when you can do multiple things, right? When you are multi-talented, right? Then what is it that you, which if you want some fund generation, revenue generation, then you choose something with which you have some credibility in the past. Right? Because people look when they are the strangers to you, they are assessing you the most. So दरवाजा खोले हैं स्पिरिचुअल बच्चों को लाइफ स्किल विजन बोर्डिंग सिखाने के लिए, बट लोग पीपल आर नॉट एंटरिंग देयर बिकॉज दे आर थिंकिंग दैट अच्छा आपने किसी और सक्सेस स्टोरी बताओ, उस बच्चे को किया तो क्या हुआ उसके साथ. तो अगर आपके पास इनफ, तो आप 40 साल से, आई मीन इफ यू आर 20 years you have been doing that, then that itself is your success story. Like we have a lawyer who who said that she has so much experiences. Straight away, solid case study, right?
Yeah.
So now she wants to tell people how to write books. Maybe she doesn't. She knows how to write, but will she be able to? Why will people? See, I have also written a book, but I'm not doing a course on how to write a book, because I have not got a lot of what do you say? I've not promoted the book. I've just published a book because I wanted to share my knowledge. But marketing book is a different thing. So why people write book? If they want to make money from book, you generally don't make money from books. That's an altogether different business model there. But I'm saying that I don't think I've earned the right to tell. I'll give how to write a book as a free bonus in my course if somebody wants to write, right? But I'm not presenting myself as a person who I'll help you write, publish, and become a popular author. I'm not claiming that, because I don't have any right to do that for anybody, right? That is why what you aspire to do, either you have to start creating some credibility in that space, or the thing is convert your knowledge to digitize yourself in parallel, but with the model that I am giving you, keeping in mind that model.
Yes, I have 3 groups in my that is WhatsApp group ना मैं चलाती हूँ, wherein I am giving knowledge. That is, I have 200 plus customers in my hand, सोचेंगे, if at all. So instead of going into the schools priorly, let me test this with these people. Let me do it as an online course. So let me make it a half an hour Zoom class for 5 days a week. Aisa maybe thoda 10 say let me start for 10 students. Then let me check.
No, I think you're doing right things. You're thinking in the right direction. It is just that
Yeah.
अभी उसको और अच्छे से कैसे कर सकते हैं और बेटर कैसे इसको बिजनेस के जैसा कैसा कर सकते हैं, right? There are a lot of things.
वो अभी के अभी आया था ना, the third class started itself. I got this clarity into my mind. Oh, once I've been thinking this way. Oh, why don't I club 2-3 together and make it? Zoom class तक idea अभी के अभी आया था, इसलिए मैंने last में post.
Awesome. No problem. Thank you for sharing. I hope you got the necessary insights.
Right.
Thank you.
So at any easy time we will talk. Thank you so much and have a good night. Sleep.
You too have a good night.